Good afternoon, students. Welcome to the class of Mathematics Standard 5th. We are learning lesson number 4, multiplication and division. I hope you all have understood multiplication of 3-digit number. I already know that this division is taught by in the previous class, but I will just give you again a revision of it. The number here I am taking is 64,897 divided by 32. You don't know the table of 32, correct? Yes. So first we are going to write the table of 32 in the right hand side of the book as it is shown in the video. Then you are going to write the number in the division form. Bigger number inside and the smaller number which we are going to divide with will be outside. We are going to take here the digits one by one according to the series. So first number is 6. 6 is smaller than 32. So we are going to take 32 zeros, 0. So we are going to subtract 6 by 0. The answer will give 6. Then we are going to take the next place number, that is thousands place number, down. The number is 4. So the number becomes 64. Now see in the table whether 64 is divisible by 32. Correct. It is 32 2s are 64. So we are going to write 2 on top and 64 down. So 64 minus 64 will give you 0. The next place number, that is hundreds place number, we are going to take it down. That is 8. Again 8 is the smaller number. So we are going to take 32 zeros, 0. So 8 minus 0 is 8. Then we are going to take the next place number down, that is tens place number, which is 9. We are going to take it beside 8. So the number becomes 89. Now we are going to see the smaller number which comes in the table of 32, then 89. It is again 64. So we are going to write 32 2s are 64. Here we are going to subtract 89 by 64. The answer we are getting is 25. The last digit is remaining, that is 7. Again we have to take 7 besides 25. The number becomes 257. Now look in the table, which number you can see smaller than 257? Correct. 32 8s are 256. This is smaller number. So we are going to write 8 on top and then write 256 down. So we are going to subtract 257 by 256 and the answer you will get is 1. Students, here the division is not over. We have to write some things that we know. Everyone know what is dividend. Dividend is the number which we are dividing with. That is 64,897. And the divisor means the number which we are dividing, that is 32. Yes, this we have already studied, but here two new words we have to study, that is quotient and the remainder. Quotient means the answer which we are getting on top of the division. This number is called quotient. Can you see this? Okay, very good. This number is called quotient, that is 2028. And after full division, the number which we are getting as the answer, it is called remainder. Here the remainder is 1. The next example we are going to study is 2521 divided by 27. So again we are going to write table of 27 in the right hand side of your book, as you can see in the video. Again arrange the numbers in the division form. Bigger number inside, the number which you have to divide, it should be outside. Here we are taking 2 digits together. Here the first 2 digits is 2 and 5, that is 25. 25 is smaller than 27. So we are taking 27, zeros are 0. So 25 minus 0 will give you 25. The next place number we have to take it down, that is tens place number, which is 2. So the number becomes 252. Now see in the table, students, which number is smaller than 252? Correct. 27 nines are 243. So we are going to take here 9 on top and write 243 down. Then we are going to subtract it. The answer becomes 9. Then take the last digit, which is in units place, down. The number becomes 91. Then again come back to the table and say, students, which is the smaller number than 91 here? Correct. 27 into 3 is 81. This number is smaller than 91. So we are going to take 3 on top and write 81 down. So 91 minus 81 is 10. Again you have to write this, that is dividend is 2521 and divisor is 27. Here the quotient is 93 and the remainder is 10. I hope you all understood this topic, and please solve the worksheet what I will give you. Thank you.